Hey there. Today we're diving into a simple guide on how to create, change, and delete a password on Windows 11. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps us out and will keep you updated on future updates. So first, we're going to look for the Start menu, which is usually in the center of Windows 11. Then we're going to look for the profile icon that is usually just above it. Then change account settings. On the left side, you'll see accounts. You'll want to click that. And then sign in options on the right. Then you'll see password. From there, you can add a password. So I'm just putting in password, but I would recommend something a little bit more difficult. And you must put in a password hint. Just don't make it obvious like I did. You'll hit next and finish. And you've created a password. So after a time, if you decide, I want to change my password, it's literally the same steps over again. You'll go to your Start menu, your profile icon, change account settings, accounts on the left, sign in options on the right, then password. You'll see a button that says change. Click on that and it will ask you for your current password. Enter, and then enter in your new password. Then your hint. Can you guess what my password was? Then hit next. Oop, forgot the one. Then hit finish. And there you have it. You've changed the password. If you'd like to enter in a PIN, just click on PIN above and hit setup. There you'll want to enter in your current password and then type in a PIN you'd like to use. If you'd like to use letters and symbols, check this little box and then hit OK. And there you have it. You've created a PIN, so you don't have to type in your whole password every time you sign on. But do remember your password because you may need it one day. So let's say you're done with the password and the PIN number and you want to remove them. Once again, it's basically the same steps again. You'll hit the Start menu, go to your profile icon, change account settings, accounts on the left, sign in options on the right. Then what we'll do is we'll remove our PIN. So if you just want to remove your PIN, this is one way to do it. And you'll type in your password and hit OK. And the PIN is gone. Now, if you want to remove your password, this one's a little trickier for people, but very easy. You'll hit change, type in your password, enter, and then all you have to do is leave all of these blank and hit next, finish, and that's it. Password's gone. I hope this helped. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll be having more tutorials and videos coming up shortly. Thanks for watching.